Come along with me while I pick, pack, and ship our weekly avocado orders. Welcome if you're new here. Holmes Grown USA is our family avocado farm. We are second generation avocado farmers. We took over this farm in early 2025, really. Kirk, my husband, his mom passed away in November of 2024. So we had to decide, what do we do? A lot of people said you should sell, you get great money for the land, of course, but we really wanted to sit with it, and I'm so glad we did. Look at these little baby avocados for next year's harvest. So exciting. So anyway, we decided to really go for it. So we are going to do direct to consumer. We're doing this YouTube thing. Eventually I'll get some recipes up on the blog. We do have 2 young kids, so we're just kind of going at a snail's pace. But this is how I pick the orders. Usually we go out as a family on Sundays, but this particular week we had kind of a busy weekend, so it's actually Monday morning, and I went out and picked these avocados, and then we dropped them off to UPS, which you'll see in a second, like 2 hours later. So, I mean, that's about as fresh as they can get. Can you imagine getting your produce? It comes off the tree, packed up that same day. Look how beautiful those are. And there were some doozies in there, some really big ones coming in your orders this week. But then they were shipped the same day, and you would have them within 5 days, and they're going to be ripe 5 days after that. So after I pick all the avocados, I come to my little station we've set up in the garage. It turns into a hot mess very quickly with a 2- and a 4-year-old around, and honestly, me and my husband. But anyway, so I had to clean that up first, but what I have here is just, we have all set up with our logo stickers, label. We've got boxes, of course. I had a complete tape fiasco, you guys. Do not get tape at the dollar store. This took me way too long to figure out. I ended up using some U-line tape that was like way too wide, so I'm sorry if you ordered somewhere in early to mid-April if your tape looks a little funky. Next, we use this stuff called Excelsier, which is really cool. It's actually wood shavings. This is actually an old school way that they used to ship avocados. And so this can go in your compost, it can go in your garden, it can go anywhere because it's all natural. So it will just disintegrate and dissolve back into the earth. So we have a 6-pound box. There's a 4-pound box, another 4-pound box of beautiful green Haas. We slap a logo sticker on it, and this just came in, these avocado scoops with our logo on it. So everyone who orders from us will be getting an avocado scoop in their first box. If you've ordered already, we will be shipping those out separately soon, hopefully. So this is kind of what the process looks like. Then we just go and drop them off at UPS. And we're so excited to continue this, and thank you so much for those of you who have supported us thus far.